If you are over the age of 50, it's coming that time that you start worrying about your prostate problems, you need to watch this video. I must tell you, it's not your fault and it happens to every man. So stay with me until the end of this video to learn more about the main questions about Prostastream. I'm Hannah and I decided to make this video to share with you some information about this new product called Prostastream. You must watch this video before taking any action within Prostastream. Before I start, I need to make a very important alert. There is only one official website selling Prostastream now. Be careful with these scams platforms out there that pretend to sell you the original product, but they don't. I've seen people buying it through the non-official website, not receiving the product or the money back. So to help you, I'll leave the link to the only official website here below the description of my video. But what is Prostastream and how does it help? You must be asking yourself. First, you need to know that the prostate glands develop after the age of 50. Incontinence, urinary pain, and a decrease in the sexual drive are all symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Prostastream is a supplement that prevents prostate gland enlargement and maintains prostate gland health. Prostastream helps to prevent all of these symptoms by maintaining the health of prostate gland. Prostastream is a dietary supplement, which means it should be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and exercise. It works in a step-by-step manner. First, Prostastream supplement aims to reduce inflammation by incorporating ingredients. Prostastream supplement aims to reduce inflammation by incorporating ingredients that repair receptors in the immune response as a whole. Second, the Prostastream supplement will work to remove toxins from your body. And finally, your immune system will be given more strength to do its job properly and protect you from future unwanted immune responses. It addresses the underlying cause of an enlarged prostate, or BPH, and then fortifies our body and immune systems to combat future threats to our manhood. Prostastream product reduces prostate inflammation. It treats issues like incontinence, urinary pain, and decreased sexual drive, among others. Regarding its ingredients, we can list vitamin E, B6, zinc, copper, selenium, green tea, broccoli leaf, and many others. Each ingredient is 100% natural, non-GMO, and put through additional third-party inspections and quality control to ensure high purity and potency. It is also important to mention that the formula of Prostastream is also manufactured in a state-of-the-art, FDA-approved, and GMP-certified facility in the US. This supplement is helping thousands of men all around the world to boost their prostate health and reduce the size of their prostate too. You just need to take one capsule of Prostastream with a big glass of cold water every day. You can skip even one day. It is recommended at least 3 months of continuous treatment for better results. You can make the smarter decision and get the heavily discounted 6-bottle package, which comes with the 6-bottle pack along with free shipping as well. If for any reason you regret of your purchase, which I doubt, you can have your money back with a 100% guarantee during 60 days, no questions asked. You can also check the refund process on the official website. So this is what I have to say about Prostastream. If you have further questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section below. And if you like it, please give us your like so more people can watch this video. Thank you so much for watching.